over the next few modules, I'm going to be teaching you some different tips and tricks when it comes to just tracking in general or specifically in MyFitnessPal. Because the thing is with tracking is it's like any other skill. You have to practice, you have to learn how to do it to become good at it. Think about if you were to learn a new sport or play an instrument or learn a new language. Or last year I started taking pottery classes and the first mug I made was awful, but I kept practicing, spending time, and then I made a really great mug that I absolutely love. Tracking is the same thing. When you first start doing it, it might feel a little overwhelming, it might feel a little bit stressful, it might take more time than you want to spend on it, but by practicing it, you get better, faster, and it gets easier, especially as you start to learn all these different tips and tricks and tools that you can do to speed up the process. So, first one that I'm going to talk to you guys about today is copying meals. So in MyFitnessPal, one of the things that you can do is copy a meal. So for example, if you commonly eat the same food, if you know, hey, today I had a smoothie and tomorrow I'm going to have the exact same smoothie, or maybe you made something for dinner and tomorrow at lunch you're going to eat the exact same thing or even similar thing, then you can copy that meal instead of having to go search all of those ingredients. So if you pull up MyFitnessPal, again, kind of walking through a few of these examples, let's say, today I've got my smoothie logged. If I want to have the exact same smoothie tomorrow, what I can do is go down to the bottom of my breakfast, there's that add food button, and then next to it are those three little dots. I'm going to click those three dots and click copy to date, and then I'm going to adjust it to be breakfast tomorrow. Hit the check mark. Now if I scroll to my diary tomorrow, we can see now that smoothie is in there, which is awesome. Same thing with dinner. Let's pretend tonight's dinner, actually I don't have tonight's dinner logged yet. So let's say that tonight I'm planning on eating the same thing that I had for dinner yesterday. So what if I do that, what I can do is go to my dinner from yesterday, or actually let's say I'm eating leftovers for lunch today. So if I were doing that in this situation, I would go to yesterday's dinner, and then I go ahead and hit the three dots, copy to date, and then click lunch today, hit select, swipe over to my diary today, and then we can see it through my lunch in there from yesterday. So this is a really, really nice tool that'll, again, just gonna speed things up. And then what's nice too is you can customize this. So, if you're maybe at dinner yesterday, you ate a larger portion and you're planning to eat something smaller today. Again, all the ingredients are in there. Now you can just go in and adjust the serving size of each one to make it reflect what you actually ate for lunch today.